Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Embrace Naturals. Thank y'all so much for tuning into my channel and my videos. And if you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button and go ahead and subscribe. But I just want to go ahead and get straight into this video. Like, I'm not even gonna do no talking for real. If you haven't seen my last video, please go watch the video that's right before this one that you're currently watching right now. So anyways, let me go ahead and give y'all like a tour of the house. I'm gonna post like some videos or pictures that I took right before I even had started moving my stuff in, like while everything was empty, plus show y'all where, with the stuff I have in here now. I'm still like unpacking some stuff. I've been here for what, like about to be 2 months, or yeah, it's like almost 2 months. But yeah. Okay, so to start off, I'm in my room. That's my bed. That's my canopy bed. I love that canopy bed. That's in my dresser, my TV. This is the lovely mirror y'all always see me taking pictures in. I love my mirror. This is the futon I have in my room. Shoes is over there. That's a little fire heater. I need to put this up, y'all, matter of fact. And I am. Y'all, everybody, I always have this right above my bed. I love this. This is my favorite. Like, I feel like this really fits my personality. It goes like this. And I'm finna put it on my bed. Matter of fact, right as soon as I'm done doing this video, I'm gonna put that up. But yeah, because I'm a lioness. I mean, a Leo, and that's a lioness. So that's why, if you don't know, I got it tattooed on me, Leo. And then I love heels. I used to didn't always like books, but I do now. I love self-help books and then reading the Bible. I love perfume and nail polish. I love wine. I just don't drink wine because, yeah, I feel like stay away from alcohol with me being, with my walk with Christ and being a Christian and stuff. I love purses, and this is like pink, but rose gold is very close to pink, and so it just matches all together. And so I always put that right here. That's where it's going to go, in this area right here. And I'm going to put that back up there. And then when we go in here, this is my bathroom. Y'all see me? Y'all see me? I love my mirror. And I love all of the storage space. I got medicine and stuff. This actually, y'all, if you haven't seen my video, go watch my TikTok video that I did on these perfumes and stuff, because they go in here. I love this. This came in this. I got my perfumes in there. This is all my blow dryers and flat irons and stuff like that. I got a bunch of hair stuff down there. Yeah, that time of the month type stuff. And this is my tub and all of that. And then this is my closet. And I got all my junk up there. When you turn on the lights, this is my space, washer and dryer area. All of that is our dirty clothes. I have just washed clothes, so this is all the dirty clothes, nothing else, just this one little basket. And those are my slippers, I just washed them. And again, that's my washer and dryer. And then this is my door, y'all. Let me tell y'all how fire my door is. What I love about my door is code. No keys, just codes. And the thing is that, you know how you go from like a push start? You know how you go from like a... So basically, y'all, I feel like I just upgraded from using a key to a push start. Being as though I have this instead of, using an actual key. Okay, y'all, this is my lovely kitchen. I'm not finna go into grave detail. You see it. And yeah, I have a lot of cabinet space and everything like that. This is... See, I have a bunch of space. I got more space over here, all up there and all of that. I need to put the food up, fish, and I made some homemade fries. So yeah, and I have a disposal. I can do this, it comes off. I'm so happy about that. And yeah, and then my fridge is very new. Don't mind that. One of the kids just spilt this, but anyways, ice maker. And then the freezer, everything is everythinging. And then this is like my I brought that from my last place. So yeah, that's the table and stuff like that. This is my living room, y'all. And I'm pretty sure I don't even have to say who bathroom this is. This side, this side, this side, this side. A bunch of space down here, down here. This is actually a cover because my niece and my daughter be up under these cabinets, y'all. Why, I don't know. Kids, I guess, right? And then the door is a closet here. This is a closet. And then this is the, y'all know what I'm trying to say. The toilet and stuff. And then this is their tub. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much everything for this video. There are a few other rooms that I didn't show you all, which is basically the kids' rooms. And I didn't show their rooms because I just don't feel like it. I'm tired, y'all. I'm finna go to bed. Like I said at the beginning of this video, if you haven't watched my last video, make sure you go back and watch my last video. And if y'all have any questions, please comment down below on this video or even my last video. I hope that especially my last video was very, very, very helpful for you all. And I just plan on prospering from here, y'all. Growing and going. And to keep going as well. Not even just financially, just spiritually, mentally, and emotionally also. And I hope that this video and my last one was definitely helpful. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I don't know if y'all just heard that thunder, but I'm telling y'all, it's been going down. Not necessarily just today, but just for a while now with all these tornadoes and stuff. Like, it's been crazy. Like, trees and stuff falling on folks' houses and everything out here in my neighborhood. I ain't gonna lie, I got scared for the first time when them tornado sirens got to going off, because it's like, it actually got bad, like super bad. No, tornado actually hit up the street from where I live, y'all. But I know that's like off subject. That was just like a side note. But yeah. So I guess that pretty much concludes this video. I'm not about to sit here and ramble on or anything like that, but I hope that y'all really do enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Comment down below and make sure you share this video. And I'll see y'all next time.